Hey guys, we've been out here working on the track for the last couple days. It's been quite a while since my last track update video. We haven't really done anything on it in a long time. And so yeah, we're working on it today, Saturday, so got time to do that. We had this drag we were pulling behind the quad. Well, actually first thing we did was brought the rototiller down and loosened up as much of this as we could. There's some pretty hard ground in here, so that thing just kind of, I use it to just bust the top layer, you know, all through here. And after we did that, quite a few laps around with the rototiller, we took the drag over here and towed that behind the quad around here quite a few laps. It's kind of buried with sticks and whatnot, but it's a pretty heavy drag with teeth on the end that my dad and I built. And we went around, I don't know, a bunch of times with the drag, getting everything kind of flattened out. And there's some big roots, like over there by that tree. I had to chop off some pretty big roots with an axe. And now we got this 500-pound roller behind the quad that's full of water, so we went around with it a few times about half full, and we just went and got some more water to fill it up. So that's our big burn pile right there. It's just kind of a bunch of brush and sticks, so we're going to burn all that. And then hopefully make the crawler course inside the track at some point here. But right now we're just going to roll this track a whole bunch more with this heavy roller, and then we're still going to have a lot of little roots and stuff to cut out of the way, you know, little stobs and whatnot. But I think after we roll it a whole bunch, we'll try a test run, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so just got done raking everything, and I just went around the outside edge of the track and pasted off, and we're right at 300 feet for the total track length, so pretty decent size. I'll just walk around here with you guys, trying to keep the camera as still as I can. So, see, I think the starting line we'll probably put, I don't know, somewhere right in this straight stretch somewhere. I'm not sure where, but probably somewhere right in here. So that'll be the starting line. And I'm thinking I'm going to make it so you can run the track both directions. So we're not just, you know, making a bunch of left turns all the time. And then it'll come up through right here. And this is kind of a little uphill right here. It doesn't really look like it in the camera. And then this isn't part of the track right in here, this middle area. So the track's going to go around like this. Big sweeping turn right here. Make another turn right here. It's kind of a hump up right here. Doesn't really look like it in the camera. And then kind of a straightaway right here. Start making this big sweeping turn right here. You could either cut to the inside or, you know, carry a lot of speed around the outside there. And then you're back on the straight, and the starting line will be up there somewhere. So we still got a lot of little roots to cut out. They're kind of hard to see, but just a bunch of little roots sticking up. But we just raked the whole thing after we rolled it. It's turned out pretty good. I think we're going to go ahead and get a couple rigs and test run it, because we're both pretty excited. But after we get all the roots cut out, it'll be down to making jumps, and probably put the driver's stand over there somewhere. Probably make it, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet tall to elevate so we can see the whole track better. So not too bad. I mean, a couple days ago the whole thing looked like this sort of brush, and we'll get that fire burned, that pile back there, and probably weed eat this other remaining brush. But anyway, we're gonna go get a couple rigs and try this out. Alright guys, so we're about to take the first lap on our new track. Pretty exciting. And we got the Red Cat Racing Volcano, and Filthy Co knows what that one is. I haven't done an unboxing or nothing like that on it yet, but more stuff coming on that one on the channel. So I got a camera mounted to the rear wing right here, give you some FPV, and I'm also going to set this tripod up somewhere. When we get better and more practice, we can have races. Whoa.